Today I will show how to scrape data in using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Here I will take 2 and 3 steps. First of all, I take this link, then I go my software browser automation studio. Take here put I my LinkedIn link sheet. Okay, then cookie taking by take cookie, yeah, okay, okay, my program is running, it keep rolling, okay, yeah, it's running, yeah, good, okay, finish. Now I will go, this is my Excel sheet. Here I take many type of data, but here I don't find any email, so I will go another software like Gromi Organic. I am again stuck this profile by using Gromi Organic. Here you will see the Gromi Organic extracting data, yeah, finished. Now I will download CSV file by Gromi Organic, yeah, okay, download. Then and here I find first email, second email, phone number, company ID, many things also. Then I will match those data for first time my browser automation data and Gromi Organic data. I will merge there by using VLOOKUP. You will see VLOOKUP using. Then I will merge those data and find combined a one Excel sheet. Okay, it will be going. Okay, it's take little bit time. Stay with me, yeah. I will short data. Okay, this finish, and now I will go another step for finding verified email by using million verifier. I will copy the email. Okay, now I go to my software million verifier. Just wait. Okay, yeah, I will come to my software million verifier. I put my file in there, then finding progress, email verifier, million verified, going progress. It's take maybe little bit time, yeah, it's finished. 40% good email. I will give you just good email. If you want risky email, bad email, I will put also that, no problem. I will give color about the good email, bad email, or risky email. If you not need like that, if you need only good email, verified email, I will give it just those data. And mining data, everything is clear and every finding every smoothly. And I will put here you see profile ID, URL, email, phone number, yeah, and that's finished my project, yeah. Here we find verified email, everything.